Chocolate chip muffins. That's what we're making today. And these are incredibly delicious. So let's get started. First, we're going to take 2 cups of flour. And we're going to add 1 1/4 cup of white sugar, a ½ teaspoon of baking soda, and a ½ teaspoon of salt. And then on hyperspeed, we're going to whisk that together. And no, this isn't magic, contrary to popular belief. Next, we're going to add ½ cup of unsweetened applesauce. And if you want to do it by weight, that's 4 ounces. And we're going to go ahead and mix that in. With all the wet ingredients, we're going to mix them in each as we add them. Next up, a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. And whisk that in. And then a ½ cup of water. And this will bring it to the perfect consistency of batter. Now, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and make sure to mix that in really well. And finally, we're going to add the best part, 1 cup of chocolate chips. And we're just going to fold that in. Easy. Now, with the remaining vegetable oil that might be in our measuring cup, we're going to go ahead and grease our muffin pan. And then add the batter to it. And you're going to want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And we're going to stick this in the oven for approximately 25 to 30 minutes, or until a cake tester comes out clean. And by cake tester, you could mean knife. Now, this is where I made a mistake. I couldn't wait, and I decided I was going to try and take these out while they were still warm. And the first one came out all right, but this second one is where I failed, and it broke. So make sure you wait until they are completely cooled before removing them from the pan. But this gives me the perfect opportunity to show you what it's like on the inside. Let's check that crumb and the moistness. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Excuse me while I go eat this. And there you have it. Some delicious chocolate chip muffins, and they don't use eggs. Applesauce can be substituted for egg, and it is a wonderful thing. Plus, it keeps these really moist. Enjoy!